So I wanted to make a real quick video, just kind of documenting some of my feelings from today. Um, you know, being a senior dev, I think sometimes we forget that we were juniors once too. And if you are a senior dev and you're watching this, I want to implore you to not lose your patience and get annoyed and frustrated by junior developers. Working with junior developers is a special thing. I think that all too often it's too easy to get caught up kind of in your own to-dos and the minutia of the day, right? And there's stress and there's deadlines with software development and getting things done. But over the last couple weeks, I've been under contract to give 10 hours of training on our Sidekick AI application, which is a SaaS platform that I built many years ago. I'll tell some stories about that, but we sold it, and part of the buy-sell agreement is that we have to give the new dev team some training with that application. So, for the last couple weeks, I've been giving 10 hours of my time over the course of a week. I have to do this for 3 months, and the developer that I'm working with, the developer that's inheriting this application that he didn't develop, is probably senior in some ways, but, definitely junior in some other ways. And I don't know. I've just seen in my own agency, I've seen other colleagues, whatnot, where it seems like they're disgruntled with junior devs. I just wanted to put this out there and say, we were all juniors once. If you are a senior today, you were a junior yesterday. If you're a junior today, you're going to be senior someday, as long as you don't quit. But we really need to treat the opportunity of working with junior devs as it's a special thing, because these are the developers for tomorrow. These are the developers who also at some point are going to reach your caliber. You might think you're a god, but you're not. They're going to reach your caliber, and eventually these people are going to be your partners. They're going to be your peers, your colleagues. And so if you have an opportunity to influence and shape the growth of that developer, that's only going to benefit you in the future. So don't squander it away. Don't wish it away. This is not to excuse those who continue to make repeat mistakes, right? Or asking repeat questions, things just aren't clicking. Those junior devs are out there, and they got to work on that, right? But this is just something that was on my mind. It was on my heart today, right? I think that our junior devs right now need a lot of love. I think it's really hard out there in the market for junior devs, and I think that us senior devs need to give back, and we need to lift these junior developers up, and we need to show them how to think, how to be, how it's properly done. And yeah, I just wanted to share that today. So if you're a senior dev and you're working with a junior dev, or there's junior devs on your team, I want you to really consider tomorrow when you interface with them to show them some love and really pour into their cup and try to build them up. And I'm not just saying from a technical skill perspective. I'm also just meaning from a leadership perspective, right? And, a thought mentor or a mind trust perspective. So yeah, I hope that helps, but I don't know. That was just something on my mind, and I wanted to post it and share it. And I think, I think these juniors, up and coming juniors, they're going to be really good, and let's help them become seniors faster.